Sweet, ginger-infused, succulent steamed chicken with herbal notes. This steamed chicken recipe will be sure to blow your mind with its taste and simplicity. The method of steaming has constantly been praised to be extremely healthy and retains most of the nutrients and natural taste of the ingredients. Today's Chicken Essence steamed chicken is one of these recipes. Let's get right into our recipe. Let's start with the ingredients. We will need about 60 milliliters of chicken essence. It's a tonic drink that is herbally with many health benefits. Next, we have 30 grams wolfberries, which are nutrient-rich and good for the eyes. Next, we have a thumb-sized ginger. For the ginger, we will be cutting them into long matchsticks or juliennating them. Then, we have 6 red dates, which are essential in making our dish naturally sweet. To allow better release of flavor into the dish, we will be cutting it out right through the center, twisting them and removing the seeds to directly expose the flesh. The last essential item will be black fungus. I've soaked them prior for about 30 minutes so that they can expand to a larger size, ready for cooking. Do remember to remove the hard parts that are unable to absorb water so that the texture remains optimal when you consume the dish. After talking about other ingredients, we have come to the main ingredient, the chicken. The preferred cut of meat is the chicken thigh, as they are able to withstand the whole steaming process without becoming overly cooked and dry. Chicken breast will have this problem of becoming too dry after steaming. Alternatively, you may use a whole chicken with bones, but bear in mind that you will have to steam it for longer until there's no blood when tested with a skewer. For my chicken thigh, I've also removed the skin to make it slightly healthier, and cut the chicken thigh into thin, long strips so that they're able to cook faster. After cutting up the chicken, place them inside the mixing bowl and season it before steaming. We will not be adding additional seasonings to the steaming plate after this seasoning process. The first item is 1 teaspoon cornstarch to make the texture more silky than it already is. Next, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce to provide an umami flavor, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to add a layer of fragrance in the chicken. This is the only trace of oil for this entire dish. 2 teaspoons of Shaoxing wine to get rid of the gamey taste within the chicken. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce to add a layer of seafoody sweetness to the chicken. Mix up the seasonings evenly. Oh, and I almost forgot. Add a dash of white pepper powder to taste. Mix up the white pepper powder until you're unable to see it by the naked eye. And we're ready to prepare the steaming plate. First, spread the base with half the ginger and red dates. Then, add the seasoned chicken thighs and then add the remaining ingredients on top. If your black fungus seems a little too much at the top, do mix it up so that some of the chicken is sitting above the black fungus for more even steaming. We will not be adding wolfberries and chicken essence at the start to prevent excessive nutrients lost in the cooking. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, we can proceed to steam the chicken. Be sure to only add the steaming plate when the water inside the wok has started boiling. Close the lid of the wok and steam for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of steaming, add the soaked wolfberries into the plate and pour the bottle of chicken essence over the chicken. Cover the lid again and steam for about 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes is up, add the optional garnishing of cilantro and red chilies over the steamed chicken. It's now ready for serving. Succulent, sweet chicken slices that is so tender in your mouth. The best part is not even the chicken, it's drinking the soup that accumulates at the base after finishing their chicken. Absolutely fantastic tasting and healthy. We have come to the end of today's episode. If you like this simple, healthy recipe, consider subscribing to our channel for more cooking videos, tips and tricks. We upload 2 recipes per week, so do stay tuned. And I'll catch you in my next video.